Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 5. We have Joey Logano's Auto Trader Next Gen car. On the back, you get other Next Gens from Wave 5. Let's get Joey Logano out of his box. So here we have Joey Logano's little sticker of the Auto Trader car. So it's basically blue with an orange 22, his name, and Auto Trader, the logo Auto Trader. And here is his car. Sorry, that was my dad coming in. So anyway, so here is Joey Logano's Auto Trader car. Now, the Auto Trader cars you see in Joey Logano is usually orange, but for Joey Logano's car, unlike Austin Cindric's, which is orange with blue numbers, Joey Logano inverted his colors from blue with orange numbers. So you got the Auto Trader logo. Even got an A right here, which is in a different color of blue. The 22, Auto Trader. Well, the Auto Trader logo is moved to the side. The 22, an orange 22 on the top and the side with an orange spoiler and an black actually on the bottom. Obviously, you have the single lug nut. The A replaces right down here with Auto Trader to the side. 22 is down there. I'll give you a 360 view of Joey Logano. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode. And more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.